Ka dorbar chnong Chutwakhu jawai kam chi benta wo ptenyi lek men dap chi spa snem yongka ha ka khan rutri uni ubanai da penman go dei Pynsñiawthooh hajrong i khooid engineer kamjooh le yatoh wa istat ka juk katni namo technology ye wa da penman ha Chutwakhu indoor sports hall kam auditorium hagani ka yalang Pynsñiawthooh da wan wo chimbenta da ki khanna ki basikai yong ki skur wa pher ka sor jawai ki arngut ki bru chempang wa de ibatai penche hajrong kini ki phang kenthup ya o emi da o paya sumer o wamano assistant professor ka department environment science Hussein Edmonds college Shillong wa iti chulai waman ka mo senior research scholar ka NITM wa formal assistant professor ka department of aeronautical ha HITS Chennai o emi da o paya sumer hawa batai hajrong i khooid engineer karam aw da ongu i khooid ki sodong sokun wan inai thik i perkhat wa ki kam wa le i Wyrta oman ki Pynsñiawthooh wei wo penyo le ki kam nei benta i bha imiat yonglang u iti chulai wan hawa i batai penche hayato wa ka technology da ongu wa gani ka phang to ko yarap open suk ye rukom im ki bru nei por chei por wei kala ko kadang lai i por nei te hadin wa penyo nang munaw le ye pher i rukom im ki bru kamjooh le ki tier wa da pen em kam khajak snem na chwa wei ki wa pen em kam katni ongu wa hei wakut hi chong haki bru hei wan idur open em kam ki ya juk technology lada hei rukom wo yarap yaki namo open em kam haki luti wasi.
Take for example, if you are cooking at home. In the olden days, chutwakhu. Katni ma chutwakhu hai nang bini du chat why? The gas, no? That is technology. So technology is something which tries to make our life easier. Okay? You remember this guy? You remember this clip from which movie? Yeah, 3 Idiots. I know all of you watch a lot of movies. So this guy is a professor. He was asking the student the definition of what? Kaman kali itu professor nanti the film. What is the definition of machine? Ini tak what we call as artificial intelligence. Imagine that without AI, nowadays, I think we will go in a company where you work on. Usually it will take me maybe 1 week, 3 hours, katni, kalau saya lebih fair kalau naik lah, kalau aja kadang sudah. Take for example, kini orang kini ketemu begini di sini, jor hal dengan trend di Facebook, di Instagram, yo cina ini gitu di studio. You agree? You might have seen all in Instagram, in Facebook, how people upload their picture and then they have what we call as a Ghibli picture. Ghibli actually is a company in Japan. And let me just give you here one example. Take for example this video clip. This video clip was from the movie of The Wind Rises here. And if you look at this video clip, because in the olden days they have to sketch the picture. They draw a big baby. Just for this 4-second clips. So second kawan cipur macam ini video. Look at this. Approximately 15 months. Sistem lebenai. Dunia mah clip was for second. Can you imagine? In Japan, in the Ghibli studio, he has to sit down with his colleague, and there were around 5 to 10 people who are drawing on this picture. After they draw, then they have to animate, and it takes them almost 15 months. Itu clip kat ni one. Jadi pakai artificial intelligence, pakai AI, kawan simpor. Itu hardly 30 seconds. 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Tetap. Kucing posisi nak lebar, ada artificial intelligence. Dulu di hausa kami. Maybe using the line of modern technology. That is why the founder of this Studio Ghibli. Because at the end of the day, you will see that you have to make a choice. Whether you want to use technology for good purpose or you want to use technology for abusing. What we call as technology abuse. Okay? So we have seen that, as I said, we have moved so much ahead in technology. And who knows, maybe in the future, all those some animals which we have never seen, dinosaur, without even them, they will try to mix with all the genes, and just like what recently happened in your generation, the COVID-19, right? Till today, it was so confused. Nobody knows the reality of COVID-19. How report corona or HD? Ano kami like the scientists would need to give the clear-cut evidence whether it's a man-made or it's a nature. Or what's not a Bruno or what? And Muhammad. COVID. Ito daw, may particular ako sa kandi. Now, sa akan mo cita. Most of the virus, they don't have a hair attached to it, no? Like COVID. So, what I'm trying to say is, this is how technology will come in very near from now. Now, if he talks about renewable energy, this is one of the most interesting when it comes to latest modern technology. We are trying to do something in the area of renewable.